Welcome to InfoWites. In today's video, we are going to create a local area network using Cisco Packet Tracer. Before starting, let's take an overview of Cisco Packet Tracer application. So, to make any virtual LAN and to test the network, you have to install Cisco Packet Tracer on your device. Once you are done with installing the Cisco Packet Tracer application, you will see this kind of interface. And let's take a quick overview of the this working space. Here at left down corner, network devices are there, so we can access the network devices from here itself. Here are end devices, PC, laptop, server, and many more are there. Similarly, this is the wire. Different wire are there. So basically, different wire have different purpose. So this can used accordingly. Now here is this is the home page, you can see, and this is the router. We can access router from here, and this is the switches, and these are hub. So in today's video we'll require PC and switches, since we are going to make a local area network. So we'll start from a basic network making process, and in next video we'll see uh, advanced version of that, making a network. So for making a LAN, what we need is we require PC and one switch. So for that, here is a switch. So click on switch, click here, and drag. You only have to drag and drop on the screen. We got switch. Now we need PC. Again, click on PC, click on the workspace, you'll get there. Similarly, PC 1. Here we'll be doing the simulation with 3 PC. You can make a network of as much PC as you want. So these are the devices that we require to make a local area network. What is the next step? We got all the devices. Now what we need to do is we have to make a physical connection between these devices. So for making physical connection, we need wire. So here we can just click on wire, click on PC. There is a fast Ethernet 0. Click there and click on switch. So we are connecting this PC to the fast Ethernet 01 port of switch. Similarly, we have to do this for these two PC as well. Again, click here, fast Ethernet 0, click on switch. Again, fast Ethernet 02. Since 01 has been occupied, so the option left is 02, and down here you can see many more. So we'll connect to 0 by 2. Similarly, for PC2, we'll take again wire, click on PC2, fast Ethernet 0, click on switch, fast Ethernet 0 by 3. See, our physical connection is completed. Now the next step is to allot IP address to this PC. So for that, we need to go on particular PC, and there we have to allot the IP address. So we'll start with PC0. So click on PC0, a window will pop up. Here you can see desktop. Click on desktop, click on IP configuration. Here you can see IPv4 address. Here you need to give the IP address to a PC. So let's say I'm giving 192.168.1.1, and once you are done with giving the IP address, you have to click here on a subnet mask. It will all automatically be generated. Similarly for PC1, Again, go to desktop, IP configuration 192.168.1.2. Again, click here. It will be generated automatically. Similarly, for PC2, desktop, IP configuration 192.168.1.3. See, for these three PC, 192.168.1 has been same for these three PC, and the last this digit is changing PC to PC. Why this is so? Because this is the ID of the network. This is basically network ID for a particular network. The device which are connected to that particular network, this has to be same. But PC to PC, host means that particular PC. So that is why this is called the host ID, and it differs from PC to PC, and this differentiate that components in connected in a network. See, we are done with allotting the IP address to these three PCs. Now we will see our connection is correct or not. So for that, let's say we want to send a message from PC 0 to PC 1. For that, we need to click on PC 0. Here you can see there is command prompt. Click on command prompt. Now write a command ping, and you have to mention the IP address of the destination PC where you want to send the message. 192.168.1.3. The host ID is 3 for the last PC. So I mentioned 3 here. Press enter. See, we can see the reply from IP address this bytes is equal to 32. So our connection is successful. We have made right connections. Now we'll see the simulations. Here at the top left corner, there is the icon of message. Click on message, drag on PC0. Similarly, PC2. What we are going to do is we are interested in sending message from this PC0 to PC2. For that purpose, you need to drag and drop this message from to PC0 and PC2. Now for simulation, at bottom right corner there is a button simulations. Click on simulation and a window will pop up. There is a play button. Just click on play. Now you can see there a message is passing through this path to a switch, and from switch it went to a destination PC where we wanted to send. Now see, a response, reverse response is again, see, look, what went is once the message is received to the destination, a reverse response is sent by the PC to the source. This will ensure that the message has been successfully received by the destination PC. So this is for today. In today's video, we learned how to make a local area network. As we have used 3 PC in this LAN, but you can use as many as you can. In next video, we'll see how to connect two different local area network using a router. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.